about. By the way, the new faucet's working out great.
Yes.
And
I even wet my hair in it today.
Yeah, this was... Hey, everyone. You done fussing with your hair?
No, try that again.
Hurry.
Wow, my hair is
Just
flat.
stop.
Okay. Do not put that on there.
You got to dream big, or don't dream at all.
Hey everyone, what's going on? Want to talk a little bit about TV and the Rialta. So, someone's already commented how easy it was to remove the TV up front. So we'll throw a photo of that TV that came with the car, which is really neat that the Rialta has a built-in television. But it's old school, and we're going to use that for something else. And when you're back in the main sleeping area, it's not super easy to look and see that as a television. So there's tons of posts out there where folks have modified brackets and put in flat screens and DVD players and whatnot. So we wanted something to be able to watch movies, but not really mess with the Winnebago part, you know, not really mess that all up, you know. So you like a big screen TV though, right?
Yeah, I like to be able to see it.
Yeah. So the thing is, like if you think about your house, you probably have like a 50-inch or a 40-inch or a 70-inch or a 90-inch TV, whatever you have. And wherever you're watching it, if you put your hands up kind of at arm's length in front of you and make that frame the size of your TV, that's really what you're looking for. So you can hang a 12-inch TV in your RV, and if it's close enough that it passes that test, it's going to be the same as when you're sitting at home watching your 55-inch TV, right? And that's what we were kind of going for. And as I started looking around thinking where we're going to mount this thing, the simplest solution was to just use the cup holders here behind. So we figured, hey, we don't need TV, cable hookup, all that. We're streaming, so just using streaming services. What are your favorites?
Streaming?
Yeah.
I don't know. We have Netflix, we have Prime,
We got all of them.
CBS.
Paramount. It's not CBS.
Oh yeah, Paramount.
Sold out.
Hulu.
Hulu.
We have those four, but we don't have cable TV.
No, I don't need cable. So all the streaming and YouTube videos and whatnot, right? And so mounting it in a cup
YouTube.
holder. So it turns out Mac Alley or Mac Ally or Macally or whatever you want to call them. I don't know what you call them, but we'll edit that in. Those guys make a little thing, and the previous version, because they updated it, the old version is like $15. $15.
$15?
$15. So it's inexpensive, and you can get it from Amazon. It just took like a day to get
I
it.
didn't know if that was supposed to be expensive or not.
$15.
Wow, 15, that's it!
It's not expensive. And then you can watch cool movies. You know, we kind of like to watch certain movies. As long as they have like Volkswagens in them. Yeah, as long as it's got a VW, we'll watch it.
Crazy.
Yeah. Anyway, so we'll show you what we did, and it's super simple. So if we moved over here, you'll see this TV set up here, and honestly, this is just an iPad all set up, good to go.
iPad.
You mount your iPad up here, and this is a cup holder mount that is flexible. You can bend it around and point it. So for the QD with the rear bed, when this is all laid out and this is the main bedroom, kick them back, heads that way, angle the TV, run the test, and it's like a 55-inch TV.
Yeah, it worked really well. Last time we were in here, we didn't have the holder and had to set it here, and then you know how the iPad holders, it was leaned back a little.
And a regular iPad stand.
Yeah, so that was tricky. But this one, it's up. You can lay back and look up at it, and that was fantastic.
Yeah, easy to use. And when it's in couch mode like it is now,
Yeah.
two of us can kick back with the table up, or in couch mode, just have it over here.
Lay back on the couch.
And catch up and watch all of you all on your YouTube channels.
That's
and
right.
keep up with all the latest stuff from all of our favorite folks out there that are RVing out there in the world. So yeah, really cool. It worked out good. We'll post a link for you so you can see it. It's easy to do. It's not a permanent mount. It's a grip mount. It's an expanding cup holder thing. There's probably other manufacturers that do a good job. This one doesn't have too tall of an arm, and when we take the iPad out, we can just leave it in the cup holder for travel. It drives just fine. Or you can pull it out if you need your cup holder. So, hey, we just wanted to share that with you. Again, don't forget the test, right? When you get to where you're going today, sit down on your couch, laying down in bed if you got a TV in there, do the test, put your arms out, see what size that is. Just find something that meets that need. You don't need to put a 30-inch TV hanging off. We got folks we've seen that pack them up and strap them to the bottom of the counters, stuff them under the beds, and have to haul them around, and they're breaking, and they're heavy, and they're hot, and why?
So I'd say tablets or iPads work great.
Just grab a tablet. Grab a tablet. You can charge it up, run it off the power. We got a little external speaker on this one, works great.
I'd get an external, yes, that helps. Because it is a little quiet. So we have a speaker that you just plug in, charge it, and then you can move the speaker anywhere you want in your Rialta, even outside.
Any old Bluetooth speaker you're already using for camping or calls. Yep, works out perfect. Anyway, hope you enjoy it. If you haven't seen it, go watch Footloose, the original, not the remake.
Not the remake.
What?
I don't know. Why remake any 80s movie?
I hope Kevin Bacon got paid for that remake.
Well, I don't care about that, but
hey, gotta pay the
can't beat the original.
Gotta pay the bacon, baby. All right. Hey, thanks. Hope this is useful. If it is, just save it. Hey,
Tell us.
You can get something that's old, and you can make it work with what you need for today.
That's right.
There's really nothing missing in the Rialta that you need to add in.
Just remember, you have to think about weight. And so something light is very smart, because then you can bring a cooler or something heavy. Your dog.
That's a really good point if you have a heavy dog.
If you have 100, I have a friend who has a 160-pound dog. I know these things.
True that. Yeah, so that's another big point too. Those bigger TVs can be heavy.
Wow.
Your workout has begun on your watch.
Oh, my watch is running. Anyway.
So, we're about to start our YouTube workout, so there you go. All right, until next time. Just remember, God is good.
All the time.
All right, we'll see you later. Thanks for watching.
To dream big, oh don't dream at all.